I know you can see me and I can't see you, but your teacher can see you. So if at any point along the way you have questions, just raise your hand, the teacher can stop the video, and they can give you an answer. And at the end, we're gonna do an experiment, and you can even get your hands dirty. So there are lots of ways to stay healthy. There's taking a bath or shower every night, eating fruits and vegetables, even drinking water, like 6 glasses. How many of you drink 6 glasses of water a day? There's also getting plenty of sunlight, which helps our body produce vitamin D, and then that boosts our immune system. And there's one more thing that we really should be doing throughout the day, and it's probably the best way to keep yourself healthy. Does anybody know what that is?
Wash your hands.
Exactly, and today you're going to learn the best way to wash your hands. It's called the W.H.O method, or the World Health Organization method. But first, we need to see how dirty your hands get throughout the day. To do that, we're going to use a cool product called GlowGerm. It covers your hands the same way that bacteria and germs would that you pick up throughout the day. But when we shine a UV light on your hands covered with GlowGerm, all the dirty spots will light up so we can see where they are. Sound good?
Yeah.
All right, so let's see if you can wash it all off. Now let's go wash your hands like you normally do. Let's go. So let's see how you did. All right, buddy, so you still got a little bit there on your palms and on your wrist. That's okay. What I'll tell you is it takes some practice to get really good at washing your hands, but what you're gonna wanna do is just scrub a little bit harder, okay, with the soap and water. Create a little bit more pressure. All right, let's look at your hands. So you see how there's still some GlowGerm left on your wrist right there, quite a bit, and on the back of your hands. So you see how there's even some on your bracelet right there? It's really important to wash your bracelets or your bands, wristbands, stuff like that, and then using the bear claw to get your fingernails and then your thumbs too. So just keep practicing and you're gonna be really good at it here pretty soon. Good job. All right, you guys didn't do bad, but you could do better, I think. Now let's go back over to the sink and let's learn how to wash our hands like a surgeon, the W.H.O way. So first thing you're gonna do is go ahead and get a paper towel ready to go for after you wash your hands. Excellent. And the next thing you're gonna do is turn on the hot water first and then the cold water, just a little bit together. Perfect, so it becomes warm. Go ahead and get your hands wet. Perfect. All right, then go ahead and get some soap on your hands, please. All right, so you're gonna rub your hands together, palms together first. Good, just for a couple seconds. And then you're gonna go hands together, fingers together. Perfect. Next, you're gonna go hand over hand, and on the top of your hand, the back of your hand, and in between your fingers. And then do the other side, please. Great. Next, you're gonna do your thumbs. So grab your thumb with the opposite hand and then kind of rotate it. Perfect. That way we can really get our thumbs well. Now do the other side, please. Great. Next, you're gonna make a bear claw with one hand and then put the bear claw in the middle of your palm and then scrub. Excellent. We're making sure that we get all of our fingernails covered. Good. Now do the other side, please. Great. All right, and then last, you're just gonna grab your wrist and rotate on your wrist a couple of times. Make sure we get those areas. If you have a watch, it's always good, or a bracelet, to wash underneath that and wash that bracelet. So go ahead and rinse your hands. Scrub your hands together just a little bit more. Great. All right, and then you're gonna grab the paper towel, dry your hands off completely first, and then you're gonna use the paper towel to turn the water off. Perfect, and then just throw the paper towel in the trash. Okay, so let's take another look. Okay, so let's look under your UV light and see how much GlowGerm's left. Wow, you did a really good job. If you'll go ahead and spread your fingers out just a little bit. Excellent. Good job. Your wrist looks really good. Your palm looks really good. So you scrubbed with some really good pressure. Good job. Go ahead and flip your hands over. Great. Just a little bit there on the wrist, but it's really not bad. That's good. Let's see the back of your hands up to your fingernails. Fingernails look good. In between your fingers look good. Man, you did a great job. A lot of time, if you have longer fingernails, it's really important to make sure that you clean underneath those really well, okay? But man, that looks awesome. Great job. Washing your hands is really important. We get so many germs on our hands throughout the day, whether passing the basketball or passing a pencil to our friend, playing on the playground, and especially using the restroom. And we need to keep those germs from getting inside our mouth, nose, and eyes if we want to keep ourselves healthy. So remember the WHO method of washing your hands and wash them often.